Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: the incredible benefits of running for just 30 minutes a day. If you're looking to improve your health, both physically and mentally, running is one of the best activities you can add to your routine. From boosting cardiovascular health to improving brain function, the benefits are endless. Make sure to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more awesome content like this. And don't forget to check out our previous videos for more tips and fitness insights. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Number 1. Increase cardiovascular health. First and foremost, running for 30 minutes every day significantly improves your cardiovascular health. When you engage in this moderate intensity aerobic exercise, your heart becomes stronger and more efficient. As you run, your heart pumps more blood, increasing circulation throughout your body. Over time, this can lower your resting heart rate, improve your blood pressure, and reduce the risk of heart disease. Additionally, running helps to clear plaque buildup in the arteries, improving their flexibility and reducing the chances of blockages. By committing to just 30 minutes of running each day, you're giving your cardiovascular system the workout it needs for a healthier heart. Number 2. Weight management. Another incredible benefit of running for 30 minutes every day is its impact on weight management. Running is a high-calorie burning activity that can help you shed unwanted pounds and maintain a healthy body weight. In just 30 minutes, you can burn a significant amount of calories, depending on factors like your weight and running intensity. Additionally, running boosts your metabolism, which means you'll continue to burn calories even after you've finished your run. By incorporating regular running into your routine, you're not only getting closer to achieving your weight goals, but also improving your overall fitness and body composition. Number 3. Strengthen muscles and bones. When you commit to running for 30 minutes every day, you're not only working your cardiovascular system, but also strengthening your muscles and bones. Running is a weight-bearing exercise that targets the muscles in your legs, including your quadriceps, hamstrings, and calves. These muscles become stronger, more toned, and more resilient with regular running. Additionally, running is beneficial for bone health, as it stimulates bone remodeling and increases bone density. By incorporating running into your daily routine, you're giving your muscles and bones the necessary stimulation to stay strong, healthy, and less prone to injury. Number 4. Improved mental health. Taking care of your mental health is just as important as your physical well-being, and running for 30 minutes every day can have a profound impact on your mental well-being. When you run, your body releases endorphins, which are natural mood enhancers that promote a sense of well-being and happiness. Regular running can reduce stress levels, alleviate symptoms of depression and anxiety, and boost overall mood. It provides an opportunity for self-reflection, stress relief, and a break from the demands of daily life. By making running a part of your routine, you're not just improving your physical fitness, but also nurturing your mental health. Number 5. Enhanced brain function. Did you know that running for just 30 minutes every day can also enhance your brain function? Regular aerobic exercise, like running, increases blood flow to the brain, delivering a fresh supply of oxygen and nutrients essential for optimal cognitive function. Studies have shown that running can improve memory, attention span, and overall brain performance. It promotes the growth of new neurons, strengthens neural connections, and even helps protect against age-related cognitive decline. So, not only are you improving your physical fitness, but you're also giving your brain a powerful boost by incorporating running into your daily routine. Number 6. Better sleep. Struggling with getting a good night's sleep? Running for 30 minutes every day can be the solution you're looking for. Regular physical activity, like running, promotes better sleep quality. When you engage in running, your body temperature rises, and post-exercise, it cools down, promoting a more restful sleep. Running also helps reduce anxiety and stress, allowing you to relax and unwind before bedtime. Additionally, the physical exertion and release endorphins during running can tire your body, making it easier to fall asleep and achieve deeper, more rejuvenating sleep cycles. So, lace up those running shoes for a better night's sleep. Number 7. Enhanced immune system. Boosting your immune system is crucial for overall health, and running for 30 minutes every day can give your immune system a significant boost. Moderate exercise, such as running, increases the circulation of immune cells in your body, making them more efficient at detecting and fighting off infections and diseases. Regular running also helps reduce inflammation, which can further support a healthy immune response. By making running a part of your daily routine, you're providing your immune system with the support it needs to keep you healthy and protected from common illnesses. Number 8. Increased longevity. If you're looking to increase your lifespan, running for just 30 minutes each day can be a game changer. Numerous studies have shown that regular running is associated with a longer life expectancy. Running helps improve cardiovascular health, maintain a healthy body weight, reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and boost overall fitness. It also supports healthy aging by promoting bone density, muscle strength, and cognitive function. By committing to running every day, you're not just improving your immediate health, but also investing in a longer and healthier life, enjoying the benefits well into your golden years. Number 9. Improved respiratory health. When it comes to respiratory health, running for 30 minutes every day can have a profound impact. Running is a cardiovascular exercise that engages your respiratory system, challenging and strengthening your lungs and respiratory muscles. As you run, your breathing rate increases, allowing your lungs to take in more oxygen and expel carbon dioxide more efficiently. Over time, this can lead to improved lung capacity, enhanced oxygen exchange, and better overall respiratory function. Running also helps to clear your airways, promoting healthier lung function and reducing the risk of respiratory conditions. So, by incorporating running into your routine, you're giving your respiratory system the workout it needs for optimal health. Number 10. Boosted confidence and self-esteem. One remarkable effect of running for 30 minutes every day is the boost it provides to your confidence and self-esteem. Engaging in regular running builds a sense of accomplishment and empowerment. As you set and achieve running goals, whether it's completing a certain distance or improving your speed, you gain a newfound belief in your abilities. The progress you make in your running journey, from increased endurance to surpassing personal records, fosters a positive self-image and a sense of pride. Moreover, running releases endorphins, the feel-good hormones, which contribute to an overall sense of well-being and confidence. So, lace up your shoes and experience the transformative impact of running on your self-esteem. And there you have it. The incredible benefits of running for just 30 minutes every day are truly astounding. From improved cardiovascular health to strengthened muscles and bones, enhanced mental well-being to better sleep, running is a transformative activity that positively impacts your entire body and mind. So why wait? Grab those running shoes and start reaping the rewards today. Thanks for tuning in. As you've seen, running for just 30 minutes every day can transform your life in so many ways, from boosting your immune system to enhancing your self-confidence. We hope this video has inspired you to lace up those shoes and hit the road. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone looking to improve their fitness and well-being. And of course, we'd love to hear about your own running journey, so feel free to comment below. Until next time, stay healthy and keep moving.